Casvi International American School is an authorized IB world school based on an American curriculum. From early childhood through high school, we offer a global education encompassing all 3 IB programs: PYP, MYP, and DP. Our innovative approach combines academic rigor with personalized learning. This helps each student develop their unique strengths and talents. Through inquiry, we foster creativity, critical thinking, and an international mindset. We prioritize hands-on learning and real-world application. This prepares students to face real challenges and develop lasting values such as responsibility and a global perspective. Additionally, we promote well-rounded development in the arts, sports, and technology, which inspires leadership and teamwork. Working with families is very important to us, as we want to prepare your child to be able to attend any university in the world.